I have it, everybody. I have the dance rifle. This one, this weapon, I have been looking forward to since the beginning of the Blackers season. And I finally have it. Let's go. This might replace the Final Verdict 2 because of one aspect that will make it this very good, and that is bonus kill points. So the dance rifle, C399, legendary sniper, area damage, blindness, bonus kill points, fire rate 64, capacity 7, and mobility 55. Honestly, let's get into this. Don't get this set, alright? It definitely has become weaker over the... It definitely has become weaker over the years. Oh yeah, by the way, in the end, I'm going to show you that it is a candidate for 3-cat spam. You're just going to need the right proper weapons in order to do so. Alright, first match, and we joined in late, but that's okay. Now, wait. I'm pretty sure I saw in Drot's video that it does 195 damage to the head. I think. Yeah. Oh my... You... Now. Final Verdict. Now, if you're wondering how I got this pretty early, well, the calendar challenge was for today, was to get 5 kills through the wall. I chose Ghost Lantern. Okay, the easiest way to get wall break kills is with the Ghost Lantern and a map like this. Nice. That match is over, but don't worry, we're gonna be doing it again. So I didn't show you its full potential. Now, is this gonna replace the Final Verdict? I will give my thoughts. Because this weapon is very funny, you just don't get me wrong. Oh, frick. Alright, nice. Haha. Loser. Now, if you're wondering why I'm sounding tired, it's because, well, it makes sense. I just kind of got up out of nowhere. And as a person with the TV, okay, TVs and ovens are going to dominate Pizza Gun 3D for a little bit. But I know the Digital Hero set is going to be returning, so I'm looking forward to that. I might use the Final Verdict occasionally from time to time. Who knows? You suck. Now, I'm going to say this right now. The Dance Rifle might be the best weapon in the entire Battle Pass. If you don't have the Evidence Hunter, that's okay. This is just that. But a little better. Now, I know, again, I've said that... Wait, no. I didn't. Yes, I did. The fire rate is much different between the two weapons. But this one is better due to the bonus kill points. In my opinion. Just why did I not get the bonus points for that? Okay, there, we got the bonus points for that. I don't understand why we didn't get it the first time. Okay, we got... An extra 10? Don't. Don't worry about that. Now, I would say this thing is also better than the Super Pixagon. I mean, don't get me wrong, Super Pixagon's good, and the Godfather is resistant. Don't get me wrong. Both are good, but honestly, I don't think they really compare to this weapon in particular. None of them do, in fact. Now, this is indeed a 2-shot to the body and 1 shot to the head. But it's good either way. Alright. Now, I'm going to only be doing 3 matches in this video as well, so, sorry. Alright. Second match, Paradise Resort. Alright. Let's do this thing. Oh, fuck. Haha. That guy was standing still. Okay, do we have to cut it short to 2 matches? Because this match kind of already started. Yeah, I think I have to. Also, I was thinking that the dance rifle had enemy detector, but hold on. No, no, it does not have enemy detector. I thought it would have. I thought the arrows actually meant something. But no, they don't really point anywhere. Okay. I thought it did. We're doing another match here. And I guess it's kind of sad. Which means I'm gonna have to cut it short to do full matches. And then in the end, I'll show you that it's indeed 3-gat spam. We're just gonna need the rare weapons. Which, again, doesn't really make this the best candidate for 3-gat spam, obviously. Now, I don't really see too many people with the dance rifle in particular. It's a good weapon. And again, I don't see that many people use it that much. I know. The one problem that I had. Okay, wait. One of the things I thought I was gonna have a problem with the dance rifles is that I thought I was gonna have bullet travel. Fortunately, it doesn't, so that's a good thing. Okay, we want to see? So I'm gonna point there. Instant. Alright. And we are winning. We're absolutely dominating. I want to see if we can win this, just the dance rifle. I have. Hold on, does this? Will it point here? It points all around. Okay, it pointed down, nobody's down here, so it doesn't have an enemy detector. Okay, that sums things up. Boom. Yeah, we're totally gonna win this. Yeah, we got this in the bag. The dance rifle is just too. It's just too good. 2,000 points. We're gonna compare that. We're gonna compare that to how much everyone else has. 35 kills. What can I say? The dance rifle's just too good. All right. So my opinion on the dance rifle. This thing is a beast. I would say if you don't have a decent sniper, I would say take the time and grind for it. Honestly, this is probably the best Battle Pass weapon in the set. Now, some can assume that the Super Simple Dimple is better. I don't know what to feel about it. Some people say the Rifle Me Online. I don't know how to feel about that one. The Chroma Key VFX camera is probably the second best in the set. No, third. This is the best. And as for the virtual concert, maybe. It's like this thing. It's like the Echo Scanner, but has less range. So yeah. Also, let me show you something. All right, watch this. Now it has delay, right? Yep, you can still cast spam with it. I don't know what other weapons are good for this not to receive delay. Obviously, you guys can find it yourself and tell me in the comments below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for 70 subs. What else am I gonna say? Oh yeah, I had the Epic Meme video part 3 has been taken down. I don't think I will be re-uploading that at all. I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna work on another one. that has less amounts of swearing. And this is a message to Susan. Please, if you're watching this video at all, like to the end, I want you to do this. I want you to remove all kids' channels. What do you think you have invented YouTube Kids for? Kids content, right? Yeah. So remove every single kids channel. Please. Honestly, it's annoying the fact that you have to say that your video is for kids or not. Like, some people are doing some very, very, very sussy things. Like, they want the channels monetized or something. Honestly, that's what YouTube Kids is for. Come on. Come on. Anyways, goodbye, everybody.